The Agronomy Technology program was designed primarily to produce and train custom applicators. So those individuals that would go out and run the commercial fertilizer spreaders, sprayers, and those sorts of things. We are actually training them for an entry-level management position. So the hope is they start off as custom application, learn the ways of the business, but then within 2 to 3 years they can move up and move into management. They get a lot of industry demanded certifications, again, so that they can get out there in the industry. The job outlook and demand is just unbelievable. And along with that is the compensation. The compensation for this particular occupation has really skyrocketed in the last few years.
They're sponsorship programs. So a student signs a contract with a cooperative or an agronomy center. It is a program where you are guaranteed a job afterwards and your employer is helping you pay for school.
You have the small classrooms, you have 15 to 20 kids in a class, maybe less. You're focused on the job you're looking to get after school. Our instructors are really friendly. You can have great conversations with any of them. They all come from an ag background, so they know how it works. They can teach to that knowledge, which is a great part of the ag program here at Ridgewater.